Hello and welcome back to Ian's Gadgets. Now in today's video, I'll be showing you how to clean washing machine. Now it's important to clean this machine so as to prevent mold from growing in your machine. Now the most important places include the detergent drawer. Apart from the detergent drawer, the gasket, the door gasket, and particularly this place here. Okay, it's important to make sure that you wash this place, as you can see, because when the machine is washing, a lot of dirt deposits here, and it's easy for mold to grow, And if your machine gets a lot of mold, your clothes can smell bad. Down here, there is a pump. This one here, you also must make sure to clean it. And before you clean it, you have to empty this water from this emergency hose pipe. So I'll be showing you these steps. Then also at the back of the machine, the back here, we shall open the water inlet. Inside here, there is a mesh filter which we shall clean. Return this and return and turn on the tap. You just open here. Put this in water. Then you come here, the gasket. This and just clean inside here. So there is a lot of. And when you're cleaning here, you must do it gently. You don't use a lot of force, lest you spoil or you damage. You might damage the gasket. So you see a lot of that. Just wash gently. When the machine is washing, a lot of dirt is deposited around this area. So if you don't clean this area, mold can grow and it can result into a very bad smell. Yeah, so that even your clothes, after washing, smells so badly. So it's good to make sure that this place is clean. So you can see now the place is clean. Yeah. So now just completed cleaning the gasket. Like this, now it's clean. So now, as you can see, we are through. We just managed to clean the gasket. And now this is clean. Now this will prevent mold from growing. Yeah? Because you don't want those nasty smells, Okay? It's better to prevent than to wait for mold to grow. When you start cleaning your machine when it's already smelling like that. So now we are done there. So now next we go to the drum. Now this one is very easy. You just need to press here and remove it. As you can see, there is a lot of dirt here. But this one is not that dirty, but nonetheless, this one you just wash with a brush. Okay. Now to wash this, you just need a brush and running water. Make sure to remove all these deposits. This was not that dirty. Good. I'm just showing you how you're supposed to wash this, so that it's also clean. So when you use a brush, I'm telling you, make it as clean as possible. Yeah? You can see it's very, very clean. Very, very clean. Very, very clean. Super clean. Huh? Super clean. As you can see, this is now clean. So now to wash here, I just need again a piece of cloth, a damp piece of cloth, and I just make sure to wash. Inside here also, a brush. We could do with a brush to make sure dried detergent is piece of cloth. Make sure you wash the place till it's super clean. So this place is super clean. Like that. So once you wash it like this, it's clean. Now this one, after it's clean, you just return this compartment, draw like that. And now we are through it there. So now we can proceed to the pump, to the filter down there, and clean it as well. So now when it comes to the pump, the filter here, the pump filter, you just press like this, then you open. Then for like this machine, it is good, it is admissible. You just remove this cover like that, then you pull. This is the emergency hose, and now you open it because you need to drain water. Open it. Just open it like this. You can see all this dirt. You can see all this dirt. So you just hold it like this. Just be patient. Let it drain until all the water is empty. And as you can see, the water is not clean, it's dirty. Yeah. And before, I forgot to tell you, before you begin washing your machine, it's advisable to make sure that you unplug the machine from the mains, and also to close the water tap. As you can see, now it's empty, so you can proceed to close. Just return this cover like this. Now we've closed. Then once you've closed, you can return this now. Like that. So now we proceed now to open the pump. This is how we open the pump. Yeah. Oh, as you can see, all this dirt. You can imagine all this. You can imagine all this. In fact, I can't believe this. You can imagine what would have happened if we did not do the cleaning. Oh my God, this is bad. Yeah, it's like the pump is already clogged, 100% clogged. That's why this machine, it was like yesterday, it showed SUD error, the 5 SUD error. Yeah. Oh, you can imagine all these particles coming out of the pump. Oh my goodness. Oh, make sure to clean yours today. Just make sure to clean your machine today so that it is efficient. Yeah, it's very, very important to always clean your machine. It's always important to clean your machine, and it's important to remove like all the dirt. Yeah, make sure everything, there's no clogging. Yeah, make sure there's no clogging. You just remove like all the dirt. Yeah. Like that. So now that place is clean. Yeah. Oh, this place was truly clogged. It was messy. I can tell you it was messy, and that is very dangerous. It ruins the efficiency and performance of the machine. Oh, it has a lot of diverse effects. Now I just again clean this. It's clean. Now we just need to return this pump filter, and to return it you just have to like that until it is closed. It's even written open close, so now it's closed. Then we return this cover. That, and you close. That's it. Cleaning the pump filter. Now we need to clean the mesh filter. So we need to open this water inlet. You just open this. Once this is open, and remember the tap should be closed at all times. Then we need to use our pliers and just pull. This is the mesh filter. So now this one we are going to submerge it in water and leave it to dry. Now using the pliers again, I hold like this and I return inside there. Then I now return the water inlet hose like this, and it's always to make sure that it's tight so that it prevents water leakage at all given times. So now we are through. So now just cleaning the outer cover to make the machine look clean. As you can see, now the machine is super clean. Very nice. Looks good. This looks good. Super clean. Now after this, we only need now to run the Eco Drum Clean. And when you're running this Eco Drum Clean, you're not supposed to use any detergent. That is according to the manufacturer. And the drum must be empty. So now let's put on the machine. Then we just take this to Eco Drum Clean. Then we press the start button. As you can see, it's going to take 1 hour 44 minutes. That's it. So as you can see, this is the Eco Drum Clean cycle, and it's an important functionality because the machine is just cleaning itself automatically. And as I said, you're not supposed to use any detergent when you're cleaning this machine. So this is Eco Drum cycle. So the machine is automatically washing the drum, removing all the dirt from the drum, and at the same time it's killing the bacteria. Okay guys, that beep signifies the end of the Eco Drum Clean cycle. So now our machine is very clean and it's ready for work. And so after they clean, it's advisable to open as well as the drum, and just leave it open. Okay, so as you can see, the washing machine is so clean, very clean. And so guys, we've come to the end of our today's video. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe and also do share it with your friends. Also give this video a thumbs up. Until the next time, the next one, bye bye.